back to Robin Bits and Pieces. I'm very sorry I didn't get a video out last week. Our internet was down. If you watch till the end, you'll see a sneak peek of my upcoming project. And this week is about easy beef stew. On this particular one, I used round steak because I opened up a package and there were 4 in it. My husband and I are the only 2 here. And when we had the beef processed, I don't know why they put 4 in it, but I cut up the round steak for the beef stew. You can use stew meat, which is much cheaper. So I hope you enjoy. Nothing fancy beef stew. Cube some beef or buy stew beef, a pound of stew beef. One jar of tomatoes. If you don't have canned tomatoes, you can buy a couple of regular cans of tomatoes at the store. Carrots, about 7, about 2 stalks of celery. 1 can of corn. Don't drain it. Two cans of mushrooms, don't drain them. Can of green beans, don't drain them. Six or 7 potatoes that are cubed. 6 bouillon cubes, and at the end I put 2 halves of onions on top. And cook. 11 meals out of that 1 crockpot stew. This is a sneak peek of what I've got coming up for the following video. I'm working on tearing apart this bank of blockers. It's taking me a while. If you like these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.